This goes in a 6-inch machine, but you need the longer cutting pads and the longer platform. This is called the Glitzy gatefold card because it is freakishly gorgeous. Let me show you this one. Look at this. Ready? I'm gonna, how do I didn't make this one, so I don't know. I think it's just pull off. So we're gonna pull this off. And ready? Watch this. Ta-da! Look at that. Look at that edge. Now, you guys, here is the card base die you're getting. Oh, let's do 3, baby. I'm going to show you all my samples. I have tons of samples, but give me a minute because I got to show this to you. So look at all the dies you're getting. You know I fit on there as many as I possibly can, right? Look at this. Ready? You're getting the card base itself. Let's turn it that way so it looks this. Let's turn it that way so it looks the same. You're getting the card base, right? And of course it has the score lines. You're going to fold on the score lines. Guess what, my friends? It's going to line up just right. What? I know. It took us forever to get that. Now, watch this. You're also getting a die that cuts that out for the background. You're also getting layering dies that cut this for a layering die and this for a layering die. But that's a little boring if you ask me. Watch this. You're also getting a layering die to do this, dots. Do you want dots? Great. You can do dots there. You flip it this way and do dots there. Great. Okay. What if you don't want dots? What if you want flowers? Now let's peel this one off. I did do adhesive on the back of this one. Get some adhesive sheets if you don't have any. Look at that. All the ickies. It weeds itself most of the time. Look at that, you guys. Ready? Look at that. Watch this. We're going to layer this on. Can you say amazing? Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, beautiful. So you could have it look like that. And then of course it could go over here too, right? Or you could use this one. So there's 4 inserts. There's 4 inserts or use no insert. Here we go. And oh, Carol got the bubble die set. Yay! Mary Margaret says, great selection on the bundle. Love it. Thank you, Stephanie Ken. You're welcome. Let's see. The only thing, yes, thank you, Russ. The only thing not in the bundle are the new brushes, but they are on very good prices also. I'm going to peel this off. This is adhesive on the back. And I missed a little spot right there. Now watch this. Oh, that weeded it, I think, just perfectly. I could just go like that, right? Gorgeous. Or I could put it on the back right here. And there we go. Well, it's supposed to, it lines up perfectly. Don't worry, I promise. But I'm trying to go fast. There we go. Look at that. That's our mom background. Isn't that beautiful? Or you could use the swirl pin dot. Now, I hope I can catch the light. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at those pin dots. They're swirls. Isn't that gorgeous? Donna says, I love this one. Love the bundle. Yeah, Melissa, I'm telling you, the bundle's the way to go. Gorgeous. Now, there we go. That is the Glitzy gatefold. Lots and lots of options. You could do different patterns. You could do the same patterns. That's all up to you. Look at, you could do that one without the background. Gorgeous. Now, let me show you some samples of this one because it is absolutely amazing. So there it is. This is the Glitz gatefold. Ready? Oh, those are a cute little chickadee. And our doily. Oh, I love those doilies. Ready? Only one panel. The other one is solid. One panel of dots. Open it up. Wishing a special person a very special birthday. Ooh, this one's only, oh, Tricky. Who made this one? Yvette. Tricky, she just made did half of it, cut it, and added the panel down so it's glued down. And look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that beautiful? Don't worry, all of these samples are going to be on our website. Here's another one. Thank you. Open that up. You give me warm fuzzies. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Look at that flower on black, in black. I love that. Shelly says, wasn't going to get the gift card until you showed how it worked. I'm telling you, Shelly. Whoops. It's true. It's true. It's amazing. Look at this gorgeous one. Hi. There's your card. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? It lines up so freakishly perfect. You guys, it took us forever. You'd think it would be easy to line that. Oh, this one. Linda. Oh my goodness. Perfect for Thanksgiving. Look at this. So she used our wheelbarrow. And look at, she did different colors of flowers behind each one. She just did inking behind each one. Stunning, stunning. Whoops. Count your blessings. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh my word, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Virgin says, love the gatefold with cookie. Yes, yes. Question, will the tri-fold background dies fit this as well? It's the same shape. No, no, it's not, because the tri backgrounds are vertical, and this is more of a horizontal. So it might look similar, but it's not. Once you get it, you'll say, oh, no, it's not the same. But it does, on camera, I think it does look similar. But here we go. We're going to open this one. Forever Friends. It means so much to me to have a friend like you. Isn't that beautiful? Forever Friends. Here's another one with the flowers. Gorgeous. Ready? Happy birthday! Ooh, adding epoxy dots on the sides. Isn't that awesome? So pretty. I know. Beautiful sample cards, JoJo says. I know. You know what, you guys? I know I say this a lot. Okay, this one right here. This one. This one. Woo! Well, it came with this on the outside too. Look at that. But those colors, beautiful. The design team is stunning. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.